Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair. This is supposed to be just a put on and go wig, girl. You're supposed to be able to put it on and go. The glueless wigs are all the rage, but finding a good glueless wig, like a real one, now with some kinky edges, come on, that look like it's growing out of your scalp, please. Hard to find, hard to come by. So I can't wait to get into this wig, but first, I need to say thank you to Beauty Forever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. This wig is specifically the 7x5 Bye Knots Kinky Edge wig. It is 20 inches long and 180% density, and it also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and pre-cut lace, babe. You're supposed to be able to throw this wig on and go. We're gonna take this girl on a test drive, girl. So if you wanna see how I customized this wig and what I did to make this wig look like this, please keep on watching and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts and a coupon code. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with the base. The base is always the same simple thing. Go ahead and pop it on. Let's see what it gives. So y'all know how I feel about kinky hairlines. I love them. I'm obsessed with a kinky hairline. So we're gonna keep this kinky hairline, but first we need to add some lace tint to this lace because as you can see, this lace is way too light for me. So we're gonna go ahead, and if you know me, you already know this is my go-to lace tint. This is the More Crazy lace tint, 3-in-1 lace tint melting mousse, and this is in the color medium brown. I had to end up drying it with a blow dryer because it was taking way too long, but let's go ahead and try it on. I'm telling you, it's gonna make a world of difference. Baby, where is the lace? I'm trying to tell y'all, I know what I'm talking about. Look, the lace is gone. We love a good kinky hairline, but I need it to blend a little bit better. As you can see, these roots are straight, the edges are kinky. Cute, we love that for us, but we need to go ahead and make them blend. All we need to do is just flatten it a little bit. So I like to use my hot comb on the lowest setting. I'm just gonna use this to blend it roots because the goal is to get the hairline just kind of blend into the rest of the hair, but to keep the kink. You see that texture? I feel like I'm gonna lay down some baby hair. Maybe I'm just gonna do the baby hairs on the side. I think that's gonna be the vibe. Glueless with baby hairs. I need to work on these baby hairs because as you can see, girl, my forehead is looking real strange. I look like I'm walked straight out of Mars Attacks, okay? Right next to Ray J. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs down. I'm gonna cut the baby hair down short. And take the gel and then lay it down. Just gonna keep brushing, swoop it down and back. You see that? Girl. Oh, now we need to go ahead and do the actual hair. Now the hair on this wig is a gorgeous, it doesn't have much shape to it right now. I like shape, and also the ends, as you can see, are thin and kind of dry. So in order to get really good bouncy curls, I always need to cut my wig. And we're just gonna quickly trim the bottom. Boom. I need to go ahead and layer this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair up top and I'm just gonna slide the scissors down. Look at that, the shape is already coming through, honey. I'm gonna take some of this hair back here and layer it as well because I want more of a round shape. I feel like the round shape just looks better on my head. Girl, look, this side versus this side, completely different. Okay, y'all, the hair is cut. Now I'm hoping this shape stays this shape once I add the mousse, but that's okay, girl. We gonna worry about that with curly wigs, especially my kinky curly ones, because it really does a good job of defining curls and getting them real juiced up. Girl, y'all know I love the juiced up curl. I also like to combine that with my Evolve 572 brush. This is the magic combo. And then the next step is to take my Evolve 572 brush and brush it through. So this brush I've had for 5 years. It's a detangling and like clumping brush, knockoff Denman brush. And I've had it for about 5 years. Look how it combs through the hair and then clumps it. Look at that. Look at these curls. Come on, get out of here, sister. Look, we're gonna keep moving through the hair. The curls are defined and so soft. I don't know why this hair dried fast, but it dried really fast. So I was able to get to styling and stuff really quick. This is the finished look, but first, before we go ahead and get into our final thoughts, we need to go ahead and get into these styles. But just a quick, you know, 1-2. Look, this hairline, baby, she is glueless. Look. Oh, girl almost snatched up that baby hair. Let's go ahead and get into these styles. But before we get into these styles, I'm just gonna let y'all know they do have a back to school sale going on. So you mamas out there that need to throw on your wig to drop your kids off, this is really the time to go ahead and pick up a unit now. But I decided this time I wanted to pull it all back because I wanted to see what this wig was working with, and baby, she did not disappoint. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this hair all up. Look how cute that is. Like, it looks so good. Again, this is glueless. It looks amazing. Now the next style is the last style, girl. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this hair back. Like, this is giving on the go, girl. I need to go ahead and get this hair out my face before it sticks to my foundation. Yes, ma'am. Look how cute that is, and look how pretty it looks from the back. What do y'all think? Which one was your favorite style? Go ahead and tell me now. I feel like mine, y'all can go ahead and say with me, half up, half down. Let's go ahead and get into the final thoughts on this wig. Now first, let's talk about the claims that this Bye Bye Knots wig is super duper easy. Like, you can plop her on and go. The only issue that I had with this was that the lace was too light. All I had to do was lace tint, and that's it. All in all, I absolutely love this wig. Altogether, this wig eats it up. Bye Bye Knots wigs, sometimes they're not all created equal. Okay, some of them take a little bit more work than others. This one, baby, little lace tint, baby hairs, little mousse, she ready to go. I think this wig is stunning. I love it. Now you can definitely choose to do the one without kinky edges, but I'm gonna choose kinky edges every single. Look at those edges. Like, what are we having a conversation about? The edges eat every single time. Y'all let me know what you think down below. I want to say thank you again to Beauty Forever Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I will leave a link for this unit down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below because of course you gonna get some money off when it comes to me, girl. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Wait, there was a skip. Bye.